Installation of the LightCon Multimode Fiber Optic LC Connector, presented by American Fiber Optic Technologies. The following anaerobic installation procedure will require LightCon kit part number AKLC-002. Step 1. Slide the boot and crimp sleeve onto the cable. Step 2. Mark and strip the fiber using LC strip template for correct dimensions. Use the strip tool to remove the cable jacket and cut the strength members with the Kevlar scissors. Step 3. Use the strip tool to remove the required length of buffer. Use alcohol and lint-free wipe to clean the bare fiber. Step 4. Remove the caps from the bottles of a quick glass primer and quick glass adhesive. Place a needle tip on the adhesive bottle. Step 5. Insert the syringe tip into the rear of the connector until it bottoms with the ceramic ferrule. Step 6. Apply primer on the bare fiber. Step 7. Insert the bare fiber carefully into the adhesive-filled connector. Slightly rotating the connector will help the fiber to pass through the ferrule easier. Step 8. Slide the crimp sleeve over the Kevlar and connector body. For 1.6 to 2 millimeter cable, crimp the crimp tube with a 0.178 inch / 3.25 millimeter die cavity. Step 9. Slide the boot over the crimped sleeve. Step 10. Allow 30 to 60 seconds for adhesive to cure. Step 11. Use the fiber scribe to cleave the protruding fiber at the point where the fiber and Step 12. Use a wipe dampened with alcohol to clean the polishing pad and polishing tool. Place the 5-micron polishing film on the polishing pad. Place the polishing tool on the 5-micron film. Put the connector into the polishing fixture and polish. 13. Polish the end of the connector by applying light pressure to the connector and moving the polishing fixture in a figure-8 motion until the polishing traces caused by the protruding fiber disappear. Step 14. Repeat the previous step with 1 micron and 0.1 micron polishing film respectively. Step 15. Clean the connector end and use a microscope to inspect the end face of the connector. No adhesive, scratch, or crack should be visible. All LightCon connectors are made with pre-radius zirconia ceramic ferrules for optimal end-phase geometry. For use with breakout or distribution-style fiber optic cable, LightCon connectors meet EIA, TIA, IEC, and JIS C5973 specifications. Pre-assembled and available in multimode or single-mode styles, please visit our website www.americanfo.com for more information.